first of all, before driving the piton, right, the surface should be clear, alright, of small free particles and small rocks or whatever. Alright, I'll make a point over here, right, and second one at a distance of about 1 feet, alright. So the piton should go at my shoulder level, right. Initially I'll drive it carefully and the piton should be 90 degree to the wall. Once this is done, I'll put a carabiner and then I'll start driving it inside. Right? If your one finger gets tired, use double finger. The piton should drive completely inside. Understood?
Okay, understood.
Right? And I can use the same carabiner like this. Now I will drive the second piton in the same manner. Right? Once again, I'll start rotating it. Understood?
Okay.
And then use this particular carabiner. Now you got to take care of one thing. The gate is facing towards the right, and the gate could face also towards the left. Right. Now I'll take this particular tape string and I'll pass one end here, the second over here, and simply I'll take a twist. Ensure to lock it, right? And this is particularly Magic X. The benefit of this is that it can change its direction.